Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft intro on Android. First, you will need to select a suitable video editing application from your device's App Store. This process is straightforward and will help you craft a unique introduction for your gaming content. Creating a custom intro can significantly boost your channel's appeal, making your videos more polished and professional. We will cover everything from choosing an app to exporting your final creation, ensuring you have a fantastic intro ready to go. To begin, you will need to choose a video editing app. Popular choices include KineMaster, PowerDirector, and dedicated intro maker applications, all available on the Google Play Store. When selecting, look for an app with an intuitive interface and, ideally, some Minecraft-themed templates or assets. It is also crucial that your chosen application supports exporting videos in high definition, such as 1080 pixels, to maintain excellent visual quality for your intro. Take your time to explore the options and find one that suits your style. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your intro. Start by adding custom text, such as your channel name or a memorable slogan, using various fonts and colors. Next, select background music that perfectly complements the adventurous Minecraft theme. You can also incorporate specific sound effects, like the satisfying sound of a sword swing or a block breaking, to enhance the experience. Do not hesitate to experiment with different animations, transitions, and visual effects to make your intro truly unique and engaging for your viewers. Once you have customized your intro, it is time to finalize it. Carefully preview your completed creation to ensure all elements, from text to music, are perfectly synchronized. When satisfied, export the video in a high-resolution format, ideally 1080 pixels, to maintain crisp visual quality. Save the finished intro directly to your Android device's gallery for easy access. Finally, integrate your brand new, professional-looking intro into all your future Minecraft gameplay videos, giving your content a polished and consistent start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.